So the cryptocurrency world was turned upside down in January. We saw just about all the stocks going down the way. But traditionally, this is what's happened in the cryptocurrency world. There's always been a dip after January for whatever reason. You know, it just seems to happen. There's a lot of people who say it's because of the Chinese New Year, because of cash, finance returns, tax returns, all these things, because of Christmas, all these other things. But historically, over the last several years, stocks have dipped in January. So it's went from a bear market, and everyone's saying, are the bulls going to come back? Is it going to go to a bull market? Well, actually, it looks like it could be happening. We're in the middle of February now. And I was looking at CoinMarketCap today. You know, that's a really good website. It's great for seeing a summary of coins. You can go to any coin at all. Obviously, pick Bitcoin's at the top here. I'm enjoying a delicious mocha. So this will show you, it's a little bit slow here. It's loading historic data. So you can see the circulating supply, the max supply, 21 million. So you can see over the last day, the last 7 days, and things like that. Now, without a doubt, Bitcoin has been doing well the last week or so. It really dipped in January, but it's slowly climbing up. And we've been over $9,000 now. So if you go back just a couple of weeks ago, if this ever loads up, come on, there we go. Like down there, you know, we're nearly at like $5,500. We're around there. But this is the thing: Bitcoin remains the daddy. It remains the Papa Bear, the Papa Bull. And when Bitcoin is doing well, all the other coins do well. When Bitcoin goes down, all the other coins go down, which makes sense because when you buy a coin on an exchange, you pay with Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are the top two coins. But across the board, the last few days, you know, most coins have been going up. Now, you can attribute this to many different things. Ethereum Classic's been in the news. Z Classic, which is what I've been mining, has been going up because it's going to be forked. Now, there's obviously coins that go down as well. But by and large, you're seeing a lot of coins going up. Litecoin went up like 30% in just a few hours. And, you know, you can attribute each coin, why it's rising, to a number of different things. But what I have noticed is that across the board, all the stories on the internet about cryptocurrency, well, to me, they seem like they're starting to become more positive. But we're also seeing a lot more news about what's going to be happening with cryptocurrencies. We're seeing banks saying they're going to be supporting them. We're seeing a lot of articles about certain banks adopting a certain coin. We're seeing Microsoft saying they're trying to support certain coins. We're seeing all these things. And all of this is breeding confidence. And, you know, confidence in cryptocurrency means that people will start buying, they'll start mining, they'll start investing. And, you know, the opposite is true as well. When you saw a lot of negative stories in January, everyone was panicking. Let's sell, let's sell, let's sell. Now, it's important to realize what's going on, though. You know, everyone is you know, can act like a big man, as they would say in Scotland. They can act like they're super confident when the market is going up, but the market will go down again. Of course it will. But one of the most interesting things I saw was there was a website that shows you what the top 100 Bitcoin owners were doing. You know, just looking at their wallet addresses, and when Bitcoin was dropping like a stone, just about every single Bitcoin owner in the top 100 was buying. And what does that tell you? These guys don't mess around. So I think negative news stories in the news and all that can really shake off the guys that are averse to risk and that really were just trying to make a quick buck. But for me, I'm not really a gambler per se. You know, I've never really been much of a gambler, but I believe in cryptocurrency. I've talked about that before, and I believe in the technology behind this. Now, we're seeing a lot of coins. Everyone's trying to buy to get to the top. But, you know, there's a lot of practical applications for these coins. And there's a lot of positive stories coming out about these coins as well. And this is leading to people coming out, buying more coins, getting more interested in cryptocurrency. Every day there's a lot of people coming to the cryptocurrency world that wasn't there before. And this is leading to the prices going up. So yeah, if you were, you know, holding coins in January, it was a very bad time. You probably saw the value of your coins dropped by half even. But all these things, there's going to be highs and lows. There's going to be ups and downs. And you need to ride these. Pay attention to the news and read between the bull crap. Try and avoid the bull crap. If you look a lot, I've talked about this before. If you look at a lot of the articles, you kind of need to read between the lines. I've seen some articles on some mainstream UK websites that say nothing but negative stuff about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, about whatever. And yet when you actually look at it, there's nothing of substance. They're not actually stating facts. It's just scaremongering. And the more that facts come through and the less that the scaremongering comes through, well, I think more confidence is in the market. And that's, you know, from a miner's point of view, from someone who's trying to invest in coins, that's a good thing. I hope you guys have got cryptocurrency are doing well. I hope your coins are doing well. Don't get too overly confident, but we have seen a rise over the last few days, over the last week, and long may it continue. I'd love to hear from you guys that have been paying attention to this over the last week. Please do leave a comment, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Take care.